Qualities of people with Scorpio Moon Sign. Individuals with a Scorpio Moon Sign possess distinct qualities and characteristics influenced by the intense and transformative nature of Scorpio. Here are some common qualities associated with people having a Scorpio Moon Sign. Intensity and depth. Scorpio Moon individuals experience emotions deeply and intensely. They have a rich emotional world and are often drawn to explore the depths of their own feelings and the emotions of others. Passionate and determined. They approach life with passion and determination. Scorpio Moon people are highly motivated and are willing to put in the effort required to achieve their goals. They have a strong willpower and the ability to persevere through challenges. Emotional resilience. They possess emotional strength and resilience. Scorpio Moon individuals can navigate through intense emotional experiences and bounce back from setbacks with a renewed sense of purpose. Intuition and perception. They have a keen intuition and are highly perceptive of the hidden motivations and emotions of others. Scorpio Moon people can sense underlying truths and may possess a natural ability to uncover secrets. Desire for depth and authenticity. They seek deep connections and authenticity in their relationships. Scorpio Moon individuals value trust and are not satisfied with surface-level interactions. They desire emotional intimacy and connections that have depth and meaning. Mystery and intrigue. They have an aura of mystery and intrigue that draws others towards them. Scorpio Moon individuals can captivate others with their enigmatic presence, and often have a magnetic and charismatic personality. Transformation and growth. They are inclined towards personal growth and transformation. Scorpio Moon people are not afraid to confront their shadows and engage in deep self-reflection. They embrace change and are open to evolving on an emotional and spiritual level. Emotional depth and complexity. They possess a complex and layered emotional nature. Scorpio Moon individuals may experience a range of emotions, including intense passion, jealousy, possessiveness, and emotional vulnerability. Protective and loyal. They are fiercely protective and loyal to their loved ones. Scorpio Moon people will go to great lengths to defend and support those they care about, and they expect the same level of loyalty in return. Investigative and research-oriented. They have a natural inclination towards research and investigation. Scorpio Moon individuals excel in areas that require deep analysis and uncovering hidden information. It's important to note that the moon sign is just one aspect of a person's astrological profile, and other factors, such as the placement of other planets, can influence their personality and behavior.